Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to find your Facebook profile link. It's super easy, so let's get started. First thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Now you need to click on the profile icon located at the bottom third option from the right. Now, notice the three dots located beside Edit Profile. Click on that and scroll all the way down. At the last option, you can see your profile link there. You just need to copy it if you need it. And that's it. That's how you find your Facebook profile link. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!